Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine at home. So, welcome back to our grade 4 max class. So, students, in the last class, we have discussed about what ma ascending order and descending order, isn't it? And we have learned about the international system of numeration, isn't it, ma? And first, we can recall the international system of numeration because based on this topic, we are going to do some more problems. Okay, ma? So, in the last class, we have discussed about international system of numeration, isn't it, ma? So, here in the international system of numeration, the periods, how many periods are there? Yes, 3 periods, isn't it, ma? Ones periods, 1000 periods and millions periods. So, if there are 3 periods comes under the international system of numeration. So, in the first ones period, how many places are there? Yes, 3 places, isn't it? So, totally 3 periods are there, and also each periods there are 3 places are there. Okay, so you have to keep in mind in the international system of numeration there are 3 periods are there. In each periods there are 3 places are there. Okay, 3 place values. So, in the first ones period we have ones place, tens place, 100 place, isn't it? Ones place, tens place, 100 place. So, first 3 numbers from the right side it will come under the ones period. That means ones place, tens place and 100 periods. And next follow to that 3 numbers. Next 3 numbers will come under the 1000 period. Okay. So, that is, in the 1000 period we have 1000 place, then 10,000 place, then 100,000 place. Okay. 1000 place, 10,000 place and 100 place. So, in the 1000 periods we have 3 place values that are 1000 place, 10,000 place, 100,000 place. Okay, ma? The next, if you come to the millions, okay, so this millions everything you will learn in the next class, okay, next year, okay, next year when you go to 5th grade you will learn this. For just for the introduction I am giving, okay, ma? So, in the millions periods here also we have 3 places. That means first one is millions, then 10 millions and 100 millions. Okay, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. So, this is the millions place, 10 millions place, 100 million place. I understood this. So, in the international system of numeration, total 3 periods are there. Each period consists of 3 places. Okay. So, listen, ma, in the last class, we returned the numbers in number name form, isn't it? They will give the numerals, isn't it? They will give the numeral. That means in the digit form they will give. We want to write the number name for the particular numbers. So, here next, today we are going to do the next Roman number 10. Write the numerals for the following number names according to international place value system. So, here write the numerals for the following number names. So, they will give the number names. We want to write what? Numerals. We want to write the numerals for the following number name according to what? International place value system. So, here we want to write the numbers in the international system. Okay. So, when you are writing the number form or number name form, you have to read the question properly. Is they asked in the Indian system or international system? Okay. Check it and you have to write. Listen, ma, here they asked to write in the international system. Okay, international system. Okay. So, look at the first question we have. So, 200. Okay, 287,416. Okay, 287,416. So, children, by using this international system chart, we can write the numerals, okay, for the given number name. So, listen, what is the given ma? 200, okay, 287,000. So, here, okay, 200, then 87,416, okay, 16. Have you understood all of you? So, 200 means what will come, ma? So, here we can write the answer as, so answer is equal to 200, okay, 200. Then, how many 10,000 and 1,000 we have? Yes, sir, we have 87,000, isn't it? 87,000. So, 8, 10,000 and 7,000. So, we can write 87,000, okay, 87,000. Next, how many 100 next we have? Yes, 400, okay, 400. Next, 16. Understood, ma? So here 287,416. I understood? 87,416. Next we can put the comma in the proper place. Okay, so we know in the internal system, first 3 digit from the right side, it will comes under what? It will comes under ones period. So ones place, tens place, 100 place. Afterwards we have to put the comma. Next 3 numbers will comes under 1000 periods. Isn't it? 1000 periods. So here 7 what? 7,000, 8, 10,000 to 100,000. Okay, so these 3 numbers will come under the 1000 period. Okay, have you understood this? So first you read the number name properly and you have to write. Otherwise, if you don't know means, what you have to do means, just with the pencil you have to write it. Okay, here I use this chart. Okay, so when you are writing the answer, just you can write it here. That is ones. Okay, ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000. Okay, 10,000. Then what will come? 100,000. Okay, 100,000. Likewise you have to write it. Next you can write. So here 200 isn't it? So 200. Next 87, that is 87,000. Okay, so 87,000, it is coming under 1000. Then 400. Okay, 416. 16 means 1 tens and 6 ones. Okay, so 16. So afterwards you can put the comma in the proper place and write. Have you understood this? Okay, then we can see the next problem. So next problem we have 800. Okay, 800, 31,049. Okay, 800. So here we have 800. The next what is there? Don't confuse. Okay, 800 means next we have to check it. Next place value what is given there we have to see. Okay, so 800. Next 31,000. Okay, after only 1000 is coming. So don't think it this is one speed. Okay, it is not one speed. It comes under the 1000 period. So 800. Okay, this is coming under. It will comes under what? 1000 period. Okay, so 800. 31,000. Next what is the next place value? 100, but it's not given, isn't it, ma? So in here how many hundreds are there? Nothing. So we have to write 0, 100. Okay, next tens and ones, what we have in the tens? 40. Okay, 40 tens and 9 ones. Okay, ma? So we can write the answer as 800. Okay, 800. Okay, 800. 31,000. Next 100 is not there, isn't it, ma? So no 100. So we have to write 0. If the place value is not available means we have to put 0 for that particular place value. So here no 100. So in the place of 100 we have to put 0. Okay. Then 49. 40 is tens place and 9 is ones place. So 49. Have you understood? This is ones, tens, 100. 100 is not given. So we have written 0 there. Then 31,000. So 31,800. Okay, 800. I understood this. Then we have to put the comma. So this ones, tens, 100. Afterwards, after the ones we have, after the hundreds we have to put the comma, isn't it? So we have to put the comma here. Then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Have you understood this? Very easy only. Okay, so if you know this chart properly, the Indian system or maybe international system, you have to thorough with this chart. So only you can write the answers very correctly. Okay, ma'am. Then look at the next question. Last question in this Roman number we have. So 700. Okay, 700. So here we have 700. 16. 16 means what, ma? 6 and 0. That is 16,000 we have. So from here we can understand. Here we have 700. Okay, 700,000. 700,000. Then 16, that means 60. 6 will comes under 10,000. Okay, so 10,000. So 6, 10,000 and 0, 1000 place. Then next what is given? 500. Okay, so here also we have the value for the 100. So 500. Next 4. 4 means what, ma? Only 4 is there. Tens place is not available. So the tens place we have to write 0. Okay, 0. And ones how much we have? Yes, sir. We have 4 ones. Okay. So 700. Okay, 700. 16,000. So 16,000. 60,000. 500. Okay, 500. Next 0 tens and 4 ones. Okay, have you understood this? So we can write it this as 700. Okay, 700, 60,000, 60,000, 504. Okay, so 0 means what? Here tens place, so no zero, no tens place is given, so we have to put 0. Okay ma, 4 ones, 0 tens, 500, 60,000. Okay, 60,000, 700. Okay, have you understood this? Next we can put the comma in the proper place. So ones, tens, 100 afterwards we have to place the comma. Okay, we have to place the comma. Then 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, have you understood this? So next we have comparing Indian and international system of numeration. Comparing Indian and international system of numeration. Okay, so here we have learned about the Indian system, isn't it ma? We know to write in the Indian system number name and as well as numerals, isn't it? Likewise in the international system, now we can able to write the numeral form as well as number name form. So here now we are going to compare. Okay, we are going to compare the Indian and international system of numeration. So look at here ma. So in the first class itself we learned Indian system, isn't it? So in Indian system of numeration we have three periods, isn't it ma? 3 periods. That means ones periods, then 1000 periods and lakh periods, isn't it? So there are ones periods, 1000 periods and lakh periods in the Indian system. Okay. So first 3 digits, that means ones, tens, 100 places will come under the ones periods, then 1000 and 10,000 will come under the 1000 periods, and then next lakh and 10 lakh will come under what ma? Lakh periods. But in the international system, ones, tens, 100, okay, these 3 places will come under the ones period. Like the Indian system and international system, both the ones, tens and 100 place will come under the ones period. Okay, next only we have a change here, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, these 3 numbers, okay, these 3 values, the place values will come under the 1000 periods. Okay, so here we will divide the first 3 number, first from the right side, first 3 numbers will come under the ones period, and next we will divide the numbers into 2, isn't it ma? 1000 and 10,000, then next lakh and 10 lakh. But here in the international, first 3 digit will come under the ones period. Next also we will divide numbers in 3. Okay, 3 places. That means 3 place values, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Next million, 10 million, 100 million, isn't it ma? So here we have written the both the Indian and international system. Okay, have you understood this? Okay, so lakh means what ma? 100,000. Okay, so in the here everything is same now. Ones, then tens is same, 100 is same, 1000 is same, 10,000 is same. Here we have a change. Lakh means what? In the Indian system, lakh will come. In the international system, 100,000. Okay, in the international system, we will call the lakh as 100,000. Okay, so by using this comparing Indian and international system, next we are going to do some problems. Okay ma, listen. Rewrite the following according to Indian place value system. Rewrite, we are going to rewrite it. Okay, they will give some numbers, we have to rearrange the numbers, rewrite the numbers according to what? Indian place value. So from here by reading this we can able to understand they will give the international system of place values. Like in the international system they will give, we want to rewrite in the Indian place value system. Okay, Indian place value system. Okay, so look at the first question ma. Here we have a number. Okay, so what are digits we have? 713315. Okay, 713315. So listen, so they given in the international system, isn't it ma? By looking the comma, when you look at the comma we can able to understand it's the international system, isn't it? Ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, isn't it? They didn't give a comma in between 5 and 1, so we can understand this is an international system of number. Okay, this is the international system, they given number. So here we want to arrange this number into, we want to rewrite this number in Indian form. Okay, in Indian form, very easy only. Okay, so listen, we have to write the number, that means we can write the answer as, so answer is equal to, so we have to write the digit as it is 513317. Okay, that's the digit they given here. We want to rewrite into Indian form. So Indian form means just the comma only we have to place it correctly, okay, in the Indian form, okay. So ones, tens, hundred, okay, ones, tens, hundred. So it is ones period is no, after ones period we have to place the comma, okay. Then thousand, 10,000, isn't it? But thousand, 10,000, it will come as the thousand period, okay. After 10,000 we have to place the comma, okay. So we know in each periods afterwards we have to place the comma. So ones, tens, hundred, okay, ones, tens, hundred, this is ones period. After the ones period we have to place the comma, then thousand, 10,000, afterwards we have to place the comma, then lakh. So here we can read this number in the Indian form as 5 lakh, okay, 5 lakh 13,317, okay. In Indian form we will read this number as 5 lakh, okay, 5 lakh 13,000, 5 lakh 13,317, okay. But in the international form, how we can read this number, ma? 500, okay, 500 13,000, 500 13,317, okay, va? So in the international system we can read it as 500 13,317, but here 5 lakh 13,317. I understood this? Then look at next one, ma. So next problem we have, what are digits we have? 107684. This is in the international system. We want to rewrite this number into Indian system, okay, Indian system. So how we can read this number in the international form? Yes, we can read it as, this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, okay, 100,000. So 100, okay, 100, 7,000, 100, 7,684, okay. This is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 100,000. So 100, okay, 100, 7,000, 100, 7,684, okay. So here they given in the international system, we are going to write this number in Indian form, okay. So how we can write in Indian form? First we can write the number as it is, that is 107684, 107684. So in the Indian system, ones place, tens place, 100 place, that means ones period is over. After the period, okay, ones period we have to place the comma, okay. The next 1,000 periods, isn't it? So 1,000, 10,000, 1,000, 10,000. After the 10,000, other means after the 1,000 periods we have to place the comma. Next 1 lakh we have, isn't it, ma? So how we can read in this Indian system? So we can read it as 1 lakh, okay, 1 lakh 7,000, 1 lakh 7,600, okay, 684, 1 lakh 7,684, okay, ma? I understood, ma? This one very easy only, isn't it? Then look at next one. So next question they given the number in the number name form, okay. The number name they given, we want to write this number name into numeral form, but it is in the Indian form. We want to write in the Indian form, okay. Have you understood this? So listen, what is they given means, they given 100, okay, 100 20,000, 20,945. Listen once again, 100, okay, 100 20,000, 20,000, then 945. So first we can write the number, okay, in the number form, numeral form we can write. Afterwards we can place the comma according to the Indian system, okay. So we can write the number as answer equal to, so how many 100, ma? Yes, 100, okay, 100. Next 20,000, 20 means 20, 20,000. Next 900, okay, 900, then 45, 45, it will make it as 45. This is the number they given, isn't it? 100 20, okay, 20,000, 20,000, 900, okay, 900, then 45, 45. So we have written 45. Next we have to place the comma according to Indian place value system, again, Indian place value system. So here ones, tens, 100, afterwards we have to place the comma, isn't it? After the ones period we have to place the comma. Then 1000, 10,000, 1000, 10,000. After the 10,000, that means 1000 periods afterwards we have to place the comma. Next 1 lakh, isn't it? 1 lakh. So how we can read this number now? So we can read it as 1 lakh. Okay, in Indian system we can read it as 1 lakh 20,000. 1 lakh 20,945. 1 lakh 20,945. Okay, so here they in the question they given the internal system in the number name form. Okay, in international system number name form they given, we want to change the number name into numeral form and we have to change it into Indian form. Okay, now we have changed the number into Indian form. Have you understood this? I hope you understand. Then look at next problem in this Roman number. So here we have 200. Okay, 231,000. 231,000. So 200 is there, isn't it, ma? So 231,000. 31,000. Next what's the place value? Yes, 100 is there. Is it 100 is they given? No, they didn't give the 100 place. So we have to write 0 for the 100 place. If the place value is missing means we have to place 0 for that particular place value. So here no 100. So we have to write 0, 100. Then next 10. And once what they given? Yes, 49. 49. That is 4 tens and 9 ones. Okay, 9 ones. So first we can write the numbers. Okay, so first we can write the number, that is 200. Okay, 200. Okay, 200. 31,000. So 31. Okay, that is 31,000. Next, is it 100 we have, ma? No, isn't it? So we have to write 0 for that 100. Okay, so if the place value is not given means we have to place 0. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, then next 49. Okay, 4 and 9, it will make it as 14. That means 4 tens and 9 ones. 49. So we have returned the numerals. Okay, numbers in the according to the given question. Okay, according to the given question we have written the numeral, that means 200. Okay, 231,000. 31,000. 0 is missing, so 0 is not given in the question, so we have to write 0 for the 100. Okay, so here we have 200. Okay, 231,000 and 100 is missing. No, so we have to place 0 for 100, then 49. So now we have written the numeral form. Next we can change this number into Indian system. Okay, we have to make it as the Indian system. Okay, so how we can make it in Indian system? Yes, ones, tens, 100 afterwards we have to place the comma. Then 1000, 10,000 afterwards we have to place the comma. So now it is in the Indian system. Okay, in the Indian system we have changed this number. So how we can read now in the Indian system form? Yes, 2 lakh. Okay, 2 lakh 31,000. 2 lakh 31,049. 2 lakh 31,049. Okay, you understood ma this? So today's portion is very easy only. Listen ma, write the classwork everything in a separate notebook. I think you are writing in the proper way only. So write the classwork in a separate notebook, write neatly, and the homework everything you have to write in the another one notebook. Okay, I understood this. Daily portion you have to study. Okay, watch the videos and listen the Zoom class everything, and do the homework, and as well as you do the classwork also. Okay ma. So next portions we can see in the next class. Okay, bye, see you.